What's up, guys? So in today's tutorial, I will show you how to use lip sync in Higgsfield AI. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open Higgsfield AI in your browser and sign in to your account. Next, hover over the video menu and select Lip Sync Studio. Once you're in the editor, upload the image you want to animate. For the best results, use a clear front-facing photo. After that, choose how you want to add the voice. You can upload your own audio file or select audio text and type the dialogue you want the AI character to speak. You can also enter a simple prompt to describe the scene. Then choose your preferred AI model, video duration, and resolution. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Higgsfield AI will process your project, which may use credits depending on your selected settings. After the video is generated, preview the result. If the lip sync doesn't look natural, try using a longer script or adjusting your settings before generating again. And that's it. That's how you can use lip sync in Higgsfield AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.